Cathedrals by Wunderhorse is played in standard tuning without a capo. The main riff's based around a B chord. We have a first finger bar at the 4th fret on the D, G and B strings. And we're going to pick the D string and then pick B, G, D. So D string, B, G, D. We'll then pick B, G, D again. So we have the Then I'm going to grab the 6th fret on the G string, down to the 4th fret on the D string. So we'll then pick 4th fret on the B, 6th fret on the G, 4th fret on the D. And then I'm going to move to the 6th fret on the D, 4th fret on the G, and then 6, 4 on the D. So the whole thing. One more time slowly. The main chord progression in the song is very simple. It starts with a B power chord, so first finger, 2nd fret of the A string, 3rd finger, 4th fret of the D string, and we're just going to strum down in 8 notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, 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 down. And the second chord in the song is actually exactly the same. We're just going to have that low E string ringing out and play it for, again, a whole bar down in 8 notes. So the only difference is the low E strings ringing out on the second chord and not on the first chord. So when we're playing the first chord, we're just going to use the tip of the first finger to mute that low E string so we don't hear it. And then when we're playing the second chord, we'll move the finger away so we can hear that note. So we have the first chord with no E string ringing out, E string ringing out, no E string, E string. That's the main chord progression. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For the link section, we're going to start off with the B power chord again. So 2nd fret on the A and 4th fret on the D. The rhythm is different here. We have down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3 and on the 4 and. We're going to move to a G power chord, 3rd fret on the low E, 1st finger, and the 5th fret on the A string, the 3rd finger, and we'll play on the 4 and then 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. So 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Sounds like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 2, 3 and 4 and. This is played 3 times. And after we played that 3 times, we go to an open E power chord, so open E string, 2nd fret on the A, and we're just going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down in 8 notes, and then leave it to ring for a full bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so we have the B power chord, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and, to the G power chord, and 2, 3 and 4 and. We play this 3 times. Power chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and leave to ring. There's also a mid-8 section in the song which also uses power chords but is really simple to play. We start off with an F sharp power chord, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the low E string, 3rd finger, 4th fret of the A string. I'm going to play this once and leave it to ring for 2 full bars. Then we'll go back to the E power chord, same as before, open and 2nd fret of the A, again leave to ring for 2 bars, 1 strum. Back to the F sharp power chord, 1 strum, leave for 2 bars. Then we're going to go to the E power chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, rest. So the F sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E power chord, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E power chord. 1 and 2